Good morning to all of you. Welcome to today's class. Like I just said, this is an important topic we are doing today. And from the board point of view, from the board exam point of view, we get questions in national income, which is normally carrying 6 marks. And national income could be asked of calculating aggregates or calculating the national income from the three different methods. Yesterday, I had given you this diagram which will help us to calculate any aggregate without having to learn by heart. It's a slight trick. And if you understand that, you don't need to learn by heart. Yesterday I had said, when we have to go from gross to the net value, what would we do? We would minus depreciation. And when we have to go back from the national net value to the gross value, depreciation will be added. Okay? Depreciation will be added when we are going from the net to the gross. Likewise, we have domestic, that is domestic product, and the national product. When we are going from the domestic to the national, converting, we will add NFIA. What is NFIA? Net factor income from abroad. How is net factor income from abroad calculated? I told you yesterday. NFIA is equal to factor income from abroad minus factor income to abroad, and that's how you get the value of NFIA. Many a times there's a direct mention in the question, NFIA this much. Otherwise, you would get it down in the broken form, factor income from abroad, factor income to abroad. Now when we have to calculate net factor income from abroad, we will calculate it as factor income from abroad minus net factor income to abroad. Likewise, market price, when it has to be converted to the factor cost, what would we do? We would minus NIT. NIT is net indirect taxes. And how do we calculate NIT? Yesterday again, the class before we had explained IT minus subsidies. IT stands for indirect taxes and subsidies are normally cash grants given. Okay, so we had also discussed in the yesterday's class that there are many aggregates, but in our this syllabus we are only to calculate the aggregates for 8, 4 in the market price and 4 in the factor cost. Which are the 4? Gross domestic product at market price, gross national product at market price, net domestic product at market price, net national product at market price. 4 in the market price, the same value, the same GDP, but at factor cost. Gross domestic product at factor cost, gross national product at factor cost, net domestic product at factor cost, net national product at factor cost. These are the 8 aggregates. You must know how to interchange the values or how you would have an interrelationship. So instead of less learning it by heart, there is a simple trick based on this. Everything is very simple. Now suppose I have to calculate, let's say, GDP. Now when I will calculate GDP, I will calculate based on all the other 7 values, all the 7 aggregates. So in reality, there is going to be something like 7 into 856 formulas. Now to learn 56 formulas is going to be very, very difficult. But if you know the method of how to derive by this, you don't have to learn by heart. So now kindly pay attention and be very attentive, because this is very, very important and it could get you 6 marks very easily. So first of all, I am calculating GDP and market price when I am calculating it on GNP market price. GNP market price is given. Okay, now pay attention. Gross, this is domestic and this is national. From national to domestic, how do you go? From national to domestic, what would you do? Minus NFIA. Market price, market price. Is it very clear? Look again. Gross, gross. National, we have to go to where? Domestic. I've drawn this on the board for the same reason. From national to domestic. What has to be done? Minus NFI. That's your formula. Now we done GDP taken out from GNP. Now GDP market price from NDP market price. Let us do it. Net to gross. When I am going from net to gross, what do? I will add my depreciation. Domestic, MP market price, nothing else. So that is your formula. NDP plus T. Any problem? Can one of you talk, please? Anyone? Unmute yourself. Any problem?
No, sir.
Okay, let's go on. GDP and NDP is taken out. GDP market price from where? NNP market price. Now, how do we calculate? How do we get the formula? Similarly, net to gross. Net to gross, what would you do? Plus depreciation. National to domestic. National to domestic minus NFIA. Market price will change. That is your definition, that is your formula with NNP minus NFIA plus depreciation. Clear? So this value has been calculated for all the three. Now we calculate this from GDP factor cost. Suppose in the question we calculate GDP and market price when GDP factor cost is given. GDP factor cost. One. Now we are going to calculate on these four values. Gross, domestic, everything is the same. What is different in market price and factor cost? When we have to go from factor cost to market price, what do we do? Plus NIP. Is it clear? Is it clear? Okay. Second, GDP market price. Now we are calculating it from GNP factor cost. Check gross, net to domestic. National to domestic. National to domestic will be minus NFIA from national to domestic minus NFIA. Factor cost to market price. Factor cost to market price plus NIP. So you see, you don't have to learn the formulas by heart. You can derive them very easily with the help of these three, the relationship. That is why we are saying interrelationship of different concepts. Once you understand how to go about it, you don't need to add how many learn how many 7 into 856 formulas. No. You can just any value can be given from anywhere to calculate, you will have no problem. Now we have calculated GNP and factor cost. Now we will calculate it from NDP and factor cost. So we are calculating GDP and market price from where? NDP and factor cost. From the third value here. Let's go over it. Net to gross. net to gross, what would you do? Net to gross plus depreciation. Domestic, what is different? Factor cost to MT, market price. Factor cost to market price will be plus MIP. That's your formula. Next, GDP at market price from NNP factor cost. NNP factor cost. What will be the formula? Let's check. Net to gross plus B depreciation. National to domestic minus NFIA. Factor cost to market price plus NIP. This is your formula. Now you realize over here, NFIA comes here. What is the formula for calculating NFIA? Factor income from abroad minus factor income to abroad. NIT, net indirect taxes, would be IT minus subsidies. Any problem anywhere? Can one of you talk, please? Give me a feedback. Anyone?
No, sir.
Is it clear how to derive, how to get formulas? So how many formulas we got here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 for GDP at market price. Right? Taking all the other aggregates and we have found out their formulas. Likewise, we have to do for all these values. So you will get 56 formulas and all. I will do one more. Let's say I will do calculating GDP and factor cost or GFK market price. Any value line by line. Can I wipe out the board, please? Can I wipe out this board?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right now, I have calculated GDP and market price and using the others. Now I will calculate GNP at market price. From where? From the value itself. Let's say the first value. GDP at market price. I'm calculating it from GDP at market price. Let us look at it. Gross, domestic to national. Domestic to national, you will add plus NFIA plus net factor income from abroad. Next, GNP at NDP. GNP calculated from NDP at market price. Okay, sorry. Net to gross. On net to gross, we are going plus B. Domestic to national plus NFIA. The rest is the same. Okay. Then GNP market price. From where? NNP market price. NNP market price. Net to gross plus D. National to national, no change, no other change. Plus D. Now GNP market price from GDP factor cost. GDP factor cost. gross, domestic to national, what would be plus NFIK. Factor cost to market price will be plus NIT. Factor cost to market price plus NIT. Next, GNP at market price, calculated from where now? GDP now, GNP factor cost. GNP factor cost. Gross, net, everything the same except from factor cost to market price. From factor cost to market price, we will have to simply add net in that x. From factor cost to market price, simply add NIT. Okay, then GNP market price is equal to, what is the next? NBP factor cost. NBP factor cost. Net to gross will be plus depreciation. Domestic to national plus net factor income from abroad. Okay, factor cost to market price plus NIT. You don't have to learn formulas by heart. Simply by applying this to this, you can derive your formulas. Otherwise, you will see for each you are multiplying it by 8 times, you get 56 formulas to learn, which is not easy. How you derive the formulas. Okay, wherever I reach here and factor cost. Now the next is GNP market price. Find it from NNP factor cost. Okay, net to gross. We will add the national, everything else is the same. Factor cost to market price plus NIP. How many are there? 3, 6, 7. So far, how much formulas you got? 14 formulas. Any problem, children, regarding understanding? I would request one of you to unmute and talk to me. Anyone? Any problem?
No, sir.
Okay, is the board visible?
Yes, sir.
Sound is audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So we have calculated, or we have found out the formulas for GDP and GNP. Do you want me to do all 56, or should I give you some portion to do from home so you get a practice? Anyone?
सर घर के लिए दे दो.
You'll do from home?
Yes, sir.
I want some more response, please. Okay. So you see, children, you can find out the values from any of these 8 aggregates, and you will get total of 56 formulas. 7 into 8, 56 formulas. Now let me do the remaining. I feel I should do one more. How much time do I have left? And 40, not much. So I'll do a numerical question based on this. Okay? Can I wipe out this board? This part of the board, can I wipe out?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Write down the question, please. The question is calculate GDP at factor cost, NDP factor cost, and GNP factor cost from the following items are given and the rupees in crores is given. Items are NNP and market price is given as 1080. Depreciation is given as 150. Indirect taxes, IT, indirect taxes is 35. Subsidies is given as 25, and net factor income from abroad is given as -60. What do we have to calculate? GDP at factor cost. GDP at factor cost. What is given? NNP at market price is given. NNP at market price. Let us complete the formula first. How would we get the formula? What it is? From net to gross, we will add depreciation. National to domestic, we will minus net factor income from abroad. Okay, market price to factor cost will be minus NIP. Clear? Put down the values. NNP at market price is given as 1080 plus depreciation is given as 150 minus what is NFI? I told you it is given directly, so no problem. If there was given separately, like factor income from abroad and factor income to abroad, then we would have to minus it to get NFI. But in this case, we do nothing because the value directly is given. Net factor income from abroad is minus 60 minus NIT. NIT is what? Net indirect tax. What is the formula for indirect tax? Net indirect tax is IT minus subsidies. Okay, this is the formula here. So what is IT given here? 35 minus what is subsidies given here? 25. So this will become 1080 plus 150 minus into minus plus 60 minus 10. Right? And this we will arrive at the figure at is 1280 crores. Adding up these 1080, look at it, 150, 60, that gives you 6 and 5, 11 and 8, 19, 190 minus 10, you get 1280. Is that okay? The first value has been found. Second, we have to find NDP at factor cost. NDP at factor cost. What do we have? We already have the value of GDP at factor cost. We already have the value of GDP at factor cost. Complete the formula. How do you get it? From gross to net. When you go from gross to net, what happens? Minus depreciation. Domestic, no problem. The rest is all the same. GDP at factor cost, we have calculated 1280 minus depreciation is given 150, and that equals to rupees 113. Clear? Third, what do we have to find out? NDP and factor cost. Can I write this part out? NDP can be seen over here? No. No, I have to write out this out. I'm writing out this question. NDP, GMP at GNP at factor cost. What do we have over here? NDP factor cost. We can calculate for NDP factor cost, no problem. Complete the formula. Complete the formula. Net to gross to add depreciation. Domestic to national, add net factor income from abroad. Okay, the rest is the same. NDP and factor cost we calculated 1130 plus net factor income from abroad is minus 60. So is equal to 1130 minus 60, and that is equal to is 1112 minus 120 1220. Get factor cost. Get factor cost. So 1130 plus depreciation was how much? 150 plus what is the net factor income from abroad? Minus. Yeah. Now this will be equal to rupees 1220. Add these two up and minus 6. Children, any problem? I'm almost out of time. So we will continue tomorrow again with some more numericals. Meanwhile, I would ask you to please find out the formulas for the rest using this and keep ready. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I will stop today's chapter till here. Tomorrow we'll come back and do some more numerical questions. Okay. Have a nice day.